like them. It sucks me out and think like them.
Hi guys, sorry about my lighting. My ring light is broken. I think it's from my plug, quite honestly. I don't think the light's broken, I think the plug's broken. So I have been playing and trying to fix it, but I can't. I have makeup on today. Not much, but presentable, hopefully. And I thought my overhead light would help, but it's not. It's still flooding in from the front window. So anyway, I wanted to bring this to you. This is a mystery box from Ofra Cosmetics, which I've told you before. They're my favorite. Don't worry about my mailing address because I only have a P.O. box. But I've told you before, I really love their highlighters. Well, mine fell and broke, so I thought, well, let's just check this out. So, anyhow, I was watching JUSTANNE. I do watch her occasionally, and she happened to be doing this one. Sorry, I'm opening my pop. But she happened to be doing this one, and she had a discount code for them, so I used her discount code, and I can't remember how much it was, but I know it's JUSTANNE in all caps, which I'll write on the screen, and I'll write the amount on the screen, but it was originally, I think it was like 20% off, something like that, but it was originally $49.99. So, this is what I got. I'm still not feeling great, so you just gotta bear with me. I'm doing better. I got a shower, makeup, nails on, all in one day, but of course I already lost one. I don't know what happened to that. Yeah, I lost one, but it's alright. That's the nails for today. I don't know what happened to it, but then you open it up, and they always have their stuff really well packed. And that's it. Then you get here, and it's like this. So, and as the time of recording, this was still available. That's why I wanted to get it out to you. You know, I'm just, and I got, let's see how many things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, 8 items, and I forget what value they said it would be. Just, I'll put that on the screen also, because I do forget, you know. But I do love their highlighters, and the first thing I'm pulling out is their highlighter. They're really beautiful highlighters. And that's what the packaging looks like. Just simple, basic. It has a mirror. And that's the highlight. Now this, I will show you. Now, it's just very subtle, just as the light catches it, which is what a highlighter is supposed to do. So I like that, which, you know, I have one that got broke, and I kind of fixed it, but not really, and I tried. Okay, then, this is long-lasting liquid lipstick, or lip kick, like that girl, that little girl used to say. Bad thing about having nails when you ain't had them for a while. You can't open anything. It's like all by myself, I can't do this. But, see, does it say the shade? I can't tell. But this is the color. This is the color, and this is what it looks like. I can almost watch that on my hand. It's like a dark plum. Yeah. It's pretty. Yeah, it's pretty. I've never tried their liquid lipsticks, honestly. And then here we get best lashes, your best lashes yet. So I'm assuming it's mascara. I've never tried their mascara either. I don't know why. We're going to have to resort to crazy here. I don't resort to it. I live there, but that's okay. I still got a hack, but I'm doing much better. And I just saw, and this is what their mascara looks like. That's kind of cool, actually. Your best lash yet. I have never, and it's in black. I've never tried theirs, so I will try that for sure. And I will let you know. So, yeah, I'm kind of excited to try that. Stuff I haven't tried before, you know. I mean, I'll be honest with you. I've been getting a little bored with makeup all the time. So I'm sure you are too. Because if I'm bored with it, you got to be getting bored with it. So I'm going to keep the beauty subscriptions that I have. And every now and I do have Jeffree Star coming. But it's at the post office. I didn't get it until after I started recording this. But, you know, I like the mystery boxes. I like the Temu. I like that stuff, and that's my favorite stuff. So I'm going to continue that on that route until at least after Christmas, because I do get bored. So it's hard to say what I'm going to have up here next. And this is long-lasting liquid, another long-lasting liquid lipstick. Where I've been sick. I get that in the roof of my mouth, and my slur gets worse. Yes, I was a stutterer, still am. And this one's slightly lighter. They're very close in color, actually. Very close. But this one is like a shade lighter. There's like one shade difference between them. Just, you know, that's very, you know, a pretty natural color for me, actually. I suppose I could have put it on my lips. Kind of goes with my shirt. Let's do that right now. Let's just do that. Let's see if it's any count. Because I love their highlighters. I just haven't tried anything else. Because I get all these boxes. I just want to feel the formula. I'm not going to do a good job because I never do like this. It's very moist. It's not sticky. Which is good because I don't like sticky. I have a hard enough time slurring my words with my lisp. And then when my lipstick sticks, it makes it more noticeable. So, you know, the idea is let's notice our good stuff and not our flaws. I don't know what this is. I'm trying to read it, but I haven't even taken the time to look. This is show us your look. What it says there. I'm assuming this is another lip color. Just a smaller one. Yeah. I'm assuming. Yeah, it's got lippy. And here's that color. Ooh, this is more of a lip oil. I like that. Yeah, I like that much better. Yeah, I do like that. That will go into my good pile. I do that. I have makeup, but this is my good pile. I don't know why, because, you know, I gotta be honest, I don't really go anywhere anymore. Hardly at all. I mean, I tried to. I was doing good there for a while. I go to football. And then we got a Midi Pallete. I forgot to show you the packaging. And there it is. Got so excited I forgot to show you the packaging. And that's just crazy. But here's what it looks like inside. And this one has 3 of something on it. Oh, this is 3 highlighters. Cool. Because, you know, that's what they're... And I'll just show you. Let's see. I'm trying to get away from the... It's hard because you get the light, the flicker of the light. You also get the things from my windows. The crystals on my windows that make rainbows, see? All over my room. And if you turn the ceiling fan on, they start dancing. It's really pretty. It's hard not to be happy in there. Okay, then we got this. This is Head in the Clouds. And I'm not really sure what this is, but we're going to check it out. Oh, it's kind of cool. This is Mini Mix Face Palette. And this is what it has in it. Now, let me get this plastic off. I'll put it back on for storing it. But you have the 3 highlighters. And I'm going to assume these can be anything. They can either be blushes, which that would make a really pretty blush. Or you could use them as eyeshadows. It would work. Okay, and then lastly, oh no, not lastly. Then we got a Ofra lip liner. It goes with, and it matches with all the lipsticks. Let's see if I can get it open quickly. This is just what it looks like. I know, doing that backwards, ain't I? But anyway, there's that. And then you get this bag. Now we'll check out this bag. We will check it out. Oh. What's it saying? It says comic or something in it. It says something in it. But it zips right here. This is... Oh, I see. I get it now. Work with me here. I know. Work with me. But it's just a little cheap plastic. Hard plastic, I would say. It's very cheap. And it smells like plastic, but it says comic all over it. So, there you have it. And so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 items. So that's this one. And I'll leave all the information down below. Feel free to like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. You know how it is. I swear I'm getting better every day. I lost another nail. Jeez. This has not been a good day for nails. I've lost 2 nails already, and this is my first video. Come on, people. Anyway, well, I better put that in there. That is today's. So come on back. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. Bye.